on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be trying out these new Smashburgers that I purchased at Walmart. For a box of them, it's roughly about $8.98. So these are Holton's Chop House Smash Sliders. They're 100% beef. 12 come to a package. They're 2-ounce beef patties. And it says there's no thawing needed. You can cook them from frozen and they cook in minutes. So we're going to go ahead and give these a try and see how good they are. Okay guys, so these are the Smashburgers. As you can see guys, the burgers are very thin. Okay guys, before I put these Smashburgers on the grill, I got everything prepared. I have my sliced cheese. I'm also going to be trying out Guy Fieri's Flavortown Top Secret sauce. I have my hamburger buns and also some sliced tomatoes, lettuce, and onion. Okay guys, I have my grill heating up. Okay, I'm just going to place my Smashburgers onto the grill. Now I'm just going to place my lid over top. I'm going to let them cook. Okay guys, as you can see, I started flipping them over. They're cooking pretty fast, so that's a good thing. Okay guys, so I added some seasoning to them. Onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, and also ground black pepper. Okay guys, once they're done cooking, we're going to go ahead and place some cheese over top of them. And since this is an electric indoor-outdoor grill, I'm going to turn the heat off. We're going to place the lid over top and let the cheese melt. Remove our Smashburgers from the grill. Okay guys, now I'm going to assemble our Smashburgers. I did put 3 patties to each bun since they were small. Okay guys, look how good they're looking. So to mine, I'm going to add Guy Fieri's Top Secret sauce, and I added mayonnaise the other one. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give mine a taste so I can let you guys know if they're good. Okay guys, so I give this a big thumbs up. I would definitely be purchasing them again. They're good, and also Guy Fieri's sauce. This one gives off a taste of like a Chick-fil-A sauce. So it's very good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?